Hello and welcome you all. Today we are going to see how the application are categorized in which domain and subdomain in an HPC system. So let's explore. So here this is the table of content which we are going to see today. We are going to categorize our domain wise application. So if your work is on astronomy or astrophysics type of domain, then you can use ATHENA and CosmoMC application. If you have your work on atomic and molecular science, you can use Gromacs, LAMMPS, NAMD, AMBER, and all these applications are open. If you have work on computational biology, you can use BioPython. If your work is on bioinformatics, you can use mpiBlast, Clustaw-MPI, FASTER, Artemis. All these applications are used like tea, coffee, etc. If your domain is on chemical science, you can use Gromacs, LAMMPS, and NAMD. If your work is on climate and environmental science, you can use MOM, Weather Research Forecasting Model, that is WRF, COSMO. If your work is on computational fluid dynamics, you can use OpenFoam, Tycho, Gerris Flow Solver, etc. If your work is on computational physics, you can use OOFEM. If your work is on computational science, you can use Gromacs, LAMMPS, NAMD, AMBER. If your work is on data analytics, you can use RStudio, Apache Spark. If your work is on geological science, you can use Ferret. If your work is on data visualization you use Grads, Ferret, ParaView. If your work is on material science, you can use Quantum Espresso and Q-chem. If your work is on quantum mechanics, you can use Abinit, NWChem, CP2K. If your work is on structural engineering mechanics, you can use CODE-ASTER. If your work is on AI, machine learning, deep learning you can use TensorFlow, Nvidia Digits, pandas, numpy, PyTorch, and many more. If your application is on image processing you can use OpenCV, Matplotlib, Scikit-image, and many others. If your work is on atmospheric ocean modeling, you can use MOM, Weather Research Forecasting Model, that is WRF. Thank you. So these are the some of the application which you can use according to your domain. And there are multiple more applications. Some are open source, which are free to use. That is, their source code are easily free to open to all. And there are some paid application are there. According to your work and according to your requirement, you can choose the application.